Did you remember to comment yesterday's video? If not, remember to comment this one. And you will be part of the giveaways. Yeah, I'm saying giveaways because there's at least 2 more before Christmas. Chances of getting some products from the giveaway, pretty high, I would say. So let's get started with day 19. Almost there, you guys. Almost Christmas. But we start with Harrods. And what do we have for today? One gold thing. Let me see. Oh my goodness. On the front it's all in French, but it seems like the brand is Valmont. It is a regenerating face cream made in Switzerland, and it's 15 milliliters or 0.51 ounces. Looks like this. Looks really exclusive, and it is made in Switzerland, and it's sealed. I'm not going to open it, so that could be interesting. It looks like it says that it is from the glacier or something. I always like some serums. They are good usually. From Cult Beauty. So this is also a company I've been looking at. Glow Recipe. I have tried one, and that was a primer. That was really good. So this is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewy Flush from Glow Recipe. So again, I like my serums. It's with a doe foot. Really? Is it for your lips? Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewy Flush. What does it say on the bottom here? Must be for the lips. With that doe foot. And now SpaceNK number 19. Another recognizable brand. This is from Summer Fridays. It's a Dream Lip Oil in Blush Dreams. Let me see if we can open this one. I'm not going to open it more. If some of you want this one, if you're winning. But that's a good one also. From Summer Fridays. So what do you think of today's products and today's opening? Comment below, be part of the giveaways, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.